Bright QT. Every student matters.
Hello children, welcome to the session. Today we are going to discuss the questions and answers. The first question is define acids and give two examples. So children, we have studied the definition of acids, that is the substances which are sour in taste. So the substances which are sour in taste are known as acids. And what are the example of acids? We have discussed several examples. It can be citric acid or it can be hydrochloric acid, oxalic acid, tartaric acid. We have studied so many acids and you can mention any two examples of the acids. So let us now move ahead towards next question. Our next question is to define bases and give two examples of bases. So students, what are bases? Bases are the substances which are bitter in taste and are soapy to touch. Okay children, so what is the definition of bases? Bases are the substances which are bitter in taste and they have a soapy touch. And what are the examples of bases? The examples of bases can be soap, or we can write baking soda. You can write sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, and we have studied a lot of examples. We have studied about milk of magnesia, which was magnesium hydroxide. You can write any two examples. Let us move towards next question. And next question is, what are indicators? So children, indicators are the substances which indicates whether a substance is acid or base. Okay. So substances which indicates whether the substance is acidic or basic are known as indicators. Okay. So let us move ahead towards next question. Next question is, give two examples of natural indicators. And we have studied a lot of natural indicators and few examples are turmeric, that is the haldi that you use in kitchen. Then you can write China rose petals. And what do we call China rose petals in Hindi? We call it as gudel. Then we have a lot more examples like litmus. Okay, litmus, we have studied red litmus and blue litmus. That is also an example for a natural indicator. Okay, so let us now move towards next question. State the differences between acids and bases. So children, before answering this question, you should note that this question is asked for how many marks. Suppose if it is asked for 2 marks, then you will have to give at least 2 points of differences. So the first point of difference between acids and bases can be, acids are sour in taste, bases are bitter in taste. Then we have second point, acids are not soapy to touch, whereas bases are soapy to touch. These are the 2 points of differences between acids and bases, and the third point can be the example. Okay, for example, you can write hydrochloric acid, you can write sulfuric acid, you can write tartaric acid, oxalic acid, and for bases you can write sodium hydroxide, you can write potassium hydroxide, you can write baking soda. You know a lot of examples and you can state that as a third point of difference. Okay, so let us move ahead towards next question. Next question is, children, ammonia is found in many household products such as window cleaners. We have studied that, and it turns red litmus to blue litmus. Okay, red to blue. So what will be its nature? And we know that bases turn red litmus into blue in color, and therefore we can comment about the nature of this product, that this product will be basic in nature. Why? Because it had turned red litmus into blue color. So you just have to keep in mind that indicators indicate whether a substance is acidic or basic by showing a change in color, and for bases it is from red litmus to blue litmus. Okay, so let us move towards next question, and the next question is milk contains which acid? And I know that we have already studied about it. Milk contains lactic acid. Okay children, so milk is acidic in nature and it contains lactic acid. Okay.